Yo, what's good everybody? It's abdwambelele. Welcome back, and it's another tutorial. This time we're gonna do Adobe-premier. I'm gonna show you how I usually edit my sound in my videos. Cheers. Today I'm gonna base about how I usually put some sound effect in my videos, and I'm gonna walk with you through the entire process. But today is only about sound effect in the video. I'll do another tutorial on how to connect different videos, how to put some music, how to put some voiceovers. But today I'm gonna do some sound effect to make your video stand out. So cheers. So yeah, guys, first thing is first. This is the layout of Adobe-premier, as you can see it. And cha kwanza lazima uhakikishe kwamba unazo sound effect ambazo kama mimi nimedownload hizi hapa. Lakini mimi nimedownload kutoka YouTube right here. Lakini I can give you a pro tip. Good sounds unaweza kuzipata katika Epidemic Sound. Na yenyewe ni first month is for free. After that you're gonna to start to pay some subscription fee. So there's personal music for commercial. It's depending on you. So this is a pro advice. So after downloading the sound, cha kwanza, I've added some of the sounds. Some of them we're gonna add together, as you can hear. So from this clip here, hakuna sound. Na hapa ndivyo tunaanza kuadd sound kwa pamoja. Cha kwanza, kuna earpods na kuna background ambayo inaonyesha kama some kind of a forest stone view, unajua. Kwa hiyo I'm gonna add two sounds on that part ambazo nimezifikia kichwani. Ya kwanza ni kama the music which is fading away because of the earpods, and you're feeling to add some kind of jungle feeling, you know. So nimedownload sound is hapa. This is the first sound from the jungle view. Ambayo nitaichukua, nitadrag, nitaidrop. I'm gonna cut it, drag it and drop it into the clip. Right here. And then from there, nitachukua the sound of him singing. It's a music sound, like I'm gonna make it sound like it's on the earpod part, you know. So far right now nasikia kama hivi. That is the sound. So I'm going to drag this sound and drop it also down here. So it's going to sound like. So I'm going to add some kind of feeling like it's come from the earpods, you know. So I'm going to click the sound. I'm going to go to the effect. I'm going to add two things, high path and parametric equalizer. You're going to need to start more about the high path, low path, EQ. These are some of sound effects which can make effect to your sound to sound more better. So right now the sound will be hearing like this. See, the sound is like it's coming from the earbuds. So to the next step. After that, you see this. I can lift that sound up to there, then from the earbuds, just to make that feeling like it's been part of a video. It's just depending on how you want to edit it, you know. So I'm gonna cut it from there. I'm gonna check another sound. I take the raindrop because, as you can see in my video, there's this kind of rain which has taken place, and I think I would like the sound to be added from there. Yeah. So I'm gonna drag and drop again the sound from here. So now if you listen to sound start from here, it's gonna sound like. See? But I don't like the way this sound ended. I have to fade it away so it can end more peaceful and not kind of annoying sound, you know. So I'm gonna go to the sound panel. I'm gonna select the frame of levels. I'm gonna lift it until somewhere where there's rain, and then I'm gonna drop it down so the sound will disappear. And I'm gonna right click over here. I'm gonna easy out, and right here, ease in. So it's for the smooth transition from one sound to another. So it's gonna be head like this. Do you see? That is a very nice transition. Don't you agree? So come from the gate. I just want to add a little bit of a gate-like sound. So I download this sound of gates. I'm going to drag and drop it. So I'm going to find the suitable gate sound I love. I think this is good. I'm going to cut it. There. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to drag it. I'm going to drop it into the gate part. And then as usual, the transition need to be smooth. So I'm going to cut this one. Effect panel as usual. I'm going to select a frame. And from here, I'm going to drop it low. So the transition will be like. And from here, there's a car. So I'm going to add some car sound. The one I downloaded also. I'm going to drag and drop. So see, the thing is simple. It's just the way you desire it to be. So for now, I'm going to speed up a little bit. So I'm going to cut the video and I'm going to speed up with this, and then I'm going to come to the final part. Cheers. Peace.
More than you might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Yo guys, so that's it for today's tutorial, and we're gonna see the actual product, the final product of our video. But what I'm trying to say here that sometimes a little bit of sound and it's like add a whole different to your video. So don't be lazy to, and if you're in Vivo, don't be lazy in editing. Just find the sound, take your time, create something nice. You know, it's very challenging, especially kwa watu kama sisi, obviously kwa mpaka utafute sauti na nini. Sometimes unajua tuna the budget ya kulipia nyimbo kuweza kuzipata, lakini just invest in your time. Just take your time, take the sound, make your video outstanding, make it special. So I'm gonna play the final video, share it with you guys, and that's it. Cheers. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.